Right, so a few people have asked for a video about how to use this Mechpro jump starter. It's pretty simple. What you do is, it says on here to connect the positive first, and then connect positive, and then the negative. Positive is the red cable, negative is the black, and just connects to your battery terminals. So we'll use this motorcycle battery for an example. It's just like jump starting a car, I guess, but so we look for the positive. It's a positive there, so we'll clip this red side to that, and then the black side to the black one, and then after that you just turn your car on as you normally would. To charge it, you just use this thing here, plug it into the wall, and just plug it in here. Sure, there's a cigarette lighter one. Oh no, that part. That yours probably comes with a cigarette lighter part thing too, but I've lost that, so don't know where that is. But you can do a battery test, and it says it's medium at the moment. So also it's got a light, and that's just a screen button here, so people like it like camping and stuff too. Not really sure how light it will be. I don't know how light it will be at night, but I haven't really tested that. But yeah, I'll leave a link if I can find one on Amazon or something. But yeah, cheers for watching.